This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Crystal Growoski. Sellers have installed a new roof. If you are looking for a ranch-style home with an oversized and private yard, this is it. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home sits on a cul-de-sac and has a 0.27-acre private in-lot. The owners of this home have installed a fantastic shed with a loft and metal roof. You have a double-gate vinyl fence for the large backyard, plenty of room to add a pool if you like. As you enter your new home, you have a coat closet, a wonderful open concept for the family room to the kitchen. Sellers have newer Samsung stainless kitchen appliances. You have a kitchen pantry and the breakfast bar is ideal for snacking or just hanging out while gathering together. The dining room is private and great for a separation space. Owner's suite offers a tray ceiling and spacious for a king-size bed, a walk-in closet with an extra closet. Your ensuite has dual sinks, a private water closet, garden bath and a separate walk-in shower. Secondary rooms are great sizes with good-sized closets. The covered lanai is screened in and your second bath could serve as a pool bath if a pool were installed. Extra notes about this home are: smart thermostat for the HVAC, newer ceiling fans in secondary rooms, newer toilet in the second bath and the exterior shed is 12 by 8. The garage has an attic pull-down ladder, a laundry sink and exterior access door. With the low HOA, this is a wonderful community located minutes to the Turnpike and easy access to shopping. Sellers are offering a transferable home warranty from American Home Shield. Call for a private showing. For more information, review the details below or contact Crystal Growoski at 407-462-7736.